So I think I'm gonna start up YouTube again. Posting mainly Animal Company content. Let me know what you want. I'm a pretty small YouTuber. I'm probably gonna do skits, movies, I don't know, stuff, whatever is new and um makes people happy, I guess. Um, yeah. Okay.